Hello, my name is Lori Spencieri. I'm your self-appointed positivity princess. I have a YouTube channel called The Lori Show. I'm here spreading positivity and happiness. I'm also helping others to live their best lives. Join me on my journey to riches. I'll be using so many tips and tricks that I've collected on my way to preparing for my journey. If you are intrigued by anything that you've heard or seen, I'm not very good at that, please click the thumbs up button and hit that subscribe. You don't want to miss it when I have my sudden, huge breakthrough. Surprise! There's Jacob. This video will represent day 108 to 115 on my path to riches. Today, I wanted to talk to you about something. Did you know I have a book? Okay, I know I told you that I have a new book coming out called 30 Days to a Happier You. My beautiful twin and I wrote it together. We worked on it for over 10 years, researching and gathering happiness techniques from all over the world in all different sources. Okay, I know I told you about that, but I want to tell you about my other book. This is the mini version of that same concept. 10 Days to Happy, here it is. Okay, so in this little gem is a compilation of 10 easy performance-based methods. You can use these to find greater feelings of joy and happiness right inside your own life. You may be asking yourself why it's so important to even feel happy. Why are we even talking about this yet again? Well, to get the long answer, watch this video on the importance of feeling happy and how happiness can have long-lasting benefits. The short answer of why we want to be happy is because happiness makes us feel great, look great, feel and look younger. It gives you more energy for life and fulfillment of your passions. That sounds good to me. Okay, so this baby can be found on Amazon in both ebook or print copy. I want to let you guys know that when I do check for my sales, when I look at my sales page and I see even just one book is sold, I'm so excited. I literally do like a cheer and a happy dance. I'll show you that dance one day, but I want to get to my sales goal of 1,000 copies. I'm close, but when I get there, you guys are going to see that dance. Okay, so we just need a few more. Stay tuned for that. Okay, so I want to remind you all of other ways to connect with me and my content, okay? I have 2 websites and I have all kinds of social media, so see the links below. This is the book that I was talking to you about. I've been holding it up the whole time, but it has been helping me for the past couple of years since I published it, and I know it will help you too. So my next video in my Path to Riches series will be day 115 to 121. Also, I didn't mention yet my Facebook group dedicated to positivity and happiness. Again, it's not huge, but the members are one of a kind and they all have huge hearts. So as always, I'm doing 3 shout outs of group members. So for today, the 3 are Emma Sinclair, Peter Havers, and Helen Flory. I want to give you guys each a high five with, social distancing. Also, virtual hug. Okay, so we are making the world more positive, one meme, photo, video, and post at a time. So don't forget, guys, we're going to be positive and we've got this. I'll be doing 3 more shoutouts in the next video, so don't miss that. Thank you so much for watching my video. I appreciate you so much. I'm grateful for every single one of you, because without you, I'm just talking to myself again. I'm just kidding around, of course. Okay, so guys, have a wonderful day and be positive. Of course, sorry.